Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your built-in domain name in Squarespace. This is one of the steps in my Squarespace website checklist. If you haven't already got a copy of the checklist, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can download the checklist for free. If you're designing a Squarespace website, the checklist is really handy because it goes through all the steps you need to take behind the scenes before you launch your website. I'm going to show you how you can update your built-in domain name on Squarespace today. So when you sign up for a website on Squarespace, it will automatically assign you a domain name. This is just a mixture of random words and letters that Squarespace has come up with. And when I started this website, you can see up here, Squarespace has given me the domain lilac lizard c4nr. And that's absolutely nothing to do with my website. So I want to change the domain name. So to do that, you first need to hit the / key on your keyboard and you'll see a search bar pop up. In there you can type in domain and you will see here domains. So domains and email is for if you have a Google Workspace subscription. I'm not quite there yet, but I do want to change my domain. So I'm going to click on this middle one that says domains. And here is the area for built-in domain, and we can see the name again, lilac lizard c4nr.squarespace.com. The .squarespace.com is there because I haven't yet paid for a Squarespace account. I'm still on a free trial. But if I were to pay for my domain, then the Squarespace part would disappear. But I'm going to click on here and site ID. This is the area where I can change it. So I'm going to get rid of the lilac lizard and type in the domain that I want, which is Flourish Finance. And I'm going to click save and confirm. And you can see up here, my domain is now changed to Flourish Finance. If you found this video helpful, please can you give the video a like, and don't forget to download a copy of the Squarespace website checklist so you can follow along with all the steps. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.